What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to take a quick look at Matic, currently sitting at 93 cents, up 3% on the day. Sitting market cap of 8.04 billion, 24-hour volume 421 million. If you're new to BitGet, you can sign up, receive up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. Email me your sign-up email after you make your first deposit. If you trade up to 100 USD, you receive a 10% rebate on your first trade. My subscribers only. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So, Matic is starting to break out. Gave this little trade signal in the Discord. Yesterday was a take profit up here at about 108. And the second take profit all the way up here. As you can see right here, Matic looking strong. Held the bullish cross on the daily. Nice little trade opportunity on this small pullback here. And it is seeing continuation to the upside currently, breaking out of this falling wedge bull flag. So we hold the bullish, wow. We held the bullish cross on the daily. And we're starting to push up. So if we can come up and break about 93 cents, that's when you can see all the way push up to about $1.04 to about $1.08. Now just watch the daily indicators. We are trending towards overbought here. So that is something to keep an eye on. As far as the Elliott wave count goes, we're still looking to come up in that wave 3. So potentially what you could be looking at here for the smaller wave count, Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, potential Wave 5. To complete a Wave 1, you would see a Wave 2 pullback, and then you would push up in a 3, 4, 5 to take you up to that Wave 3 target of about $1.09. Currently, that's what I'm seeing for the price of Matic here. This is a really bullish wave count. This is a Wave 2 low, a shallow Wave 2. And now you're going to push up in a Wave 3 that will take you all the way up here to about almost $5, which is absolutely insane. Just be very cautious until we can come up and break these highs. But as of right now, Matic is looking pretty strong in my opinion. The bearish count is continuing to become less and less likely as we break above the 0.786. If we do push above 94 cents, then this bearish wave count is invalidated, and there is a higher chance of pushing up in that wave 3. Unless we were to fail to break that high and we do roll over, then you'd have to be looking at some sort of, what would I look at? Probably like a WXYXZ correction if that were to play out. But I won't focus on that too much unless we do end up failing to break that high, which is still on the table. But I do think a rally is coming in the market. And Matic will be definitely one of the top movers if we do see a potential rally here for Bitcoin. With the midterm elections coming up on November 8th, as you can see here with the price of Bitcoin, we did come up and break this previous high. We've been talking about this triangle breakout here, and we could definitely start to see a nice push back up to 20.4K. The fact that we saw a retest and broke that high is quite a bullish signal, and you can give that technical target for Bitcoin of the triangle, which will take you all the way up here to retest that high, all the way up at about the high 23K for our friend Bitcoin. If we can break out of this range of 20.4K, we finally come up and break 20.4, that's when you could potentially see that massive rally to the upside. It's looking pretty strong. I'd be very surprised to see a bullish fake out and break to the downside. Of course, anything is possible. But as of right now, we can focus on the bullish scenario. So in the short term for Matic, your next level of resistance is up at about that $1 to about $1.08 range. Up in this area here, if I were to drop in a box quickly, you can see that there is a lot of resistance right in this range, in between about 98 cents to about $1.08. See all the support here, support in this area, support here, resistance. So that would be a major level of resistance for our friend Matic, and your wave 3 target will take you all the way up to about $1.09. That's it for this one. Big shout out to BitGet. Sign up, make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, and you will have free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, and take profits recently gave a trade signal for Matic, and recently gave a trade signal for Solana, which is making some good profits right now. Also give early access to my analysis, and you can sign up through the Patreon link. Only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.